Have you ever lost something you really loved? Maybe your favorite toy or a special book? It can feel frustrating when you search everywhere and just can't find it. But today, we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names that reminds us He never loses anything. That name is Al-Waajid. Al-Waajid means the finder, or the one who always finds what he wants. This beautiful name teaches us that Allah has perfect knowledge of everything. Nothing is ever lost to Him. While we might search our rooms, look under beds, and check every corner for something we've misplaced, Allah knows exactly where everything is at every single moment. Think about it this way. When you lose your favorite toy, you might look in your toy box, under your bed, or in the living room. Sometimes you find it, and sometimes you don't. But Allah never has to search for anything because He already knows where it is. His knowledge is complete and perfect. So the next time you need help, remember, you can always turn to Allah Al-Waajid. Whether you've lost something or you're looking for guidance and answers, He can always find a way to help you. Trust in Him, and remember that nothing is ever hidden from Al-Waajid.